How to set up an email account in Outlook 2007. This tutorial assumes you've already created your new email account in your web hosting account, typically through your hosting control panel. Now let's learn how to set up that new email account in Outlook 2007 so you'll be able to send and receive emails to and from that new email account. Start by clicking the Tools link here. Then click Account Settings. The Email Accounts window appears. Click the New button here. Enter the name as you would like it to appear in the From field of outgoing emails. Then enter your new email address here. Enter your email password here. Then retype your password. Check here to manually configure your server settings. Click Next. Ensure the Internet email option is selected. Then click Next again. Choose POP3 here. Now enter your incoming POP3 and outgoing SMTP server settings in these boxes. Enter the username as provided to you by your hosting provider. This is typically your email address. Then enter your email password here. Click the More Settings tab. Then click the Outgoing Server tab. Check the box for SMTP authentication. SMTP authentication means that Outlook will log into your mail server even when sending emails, not just receiving, ensuring that you are the only one that can send emails from your account. Most SMTP servers use the same username and password as the incoming POP3 servers, so just leave this selected. Then click OK. Click Next. Then click Finish. That's it! We've successfully set up an email account and can now start sending and receiving emails to and from that account from Outlook 2007. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up an email account in Outlook 2007. Remember that you also have to create that email address in your hosting account before it will work. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions.